these strange houses behind us, you guys.
They're
cool.
And what is funny is people
Living there.
living in there.
We already love you, Netherlands. You're awesome. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new beautiful day here in the Netherlands. It's cloudy, but it's fighting with the sun. The sun wants to come out so bad. Say morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Sarah, say morning. Say good morning. Good.
Good
Morning.
morning.
Very good.
Good morning.
That's not how you supposed to say. What you supposed to say?
Good morning.
No. You're supposed to say wagwan.
Wagwan my old.
You guys, we are in the Netherlands day 1, or should I say day 2? Would this consider day 1 or day 2? What would it consider, babe?
Day 2.
Day 2? We are going to explore, but first, safety, or else my husband won't drive off. He literally won't drive off if I don't put on my seatbelt. The plan was to explore with Shanna. Oh, how we miss Shanna. But Shanna is not here, so we have to explore on our own. We wanted to go and take the bus, but it's a little bit complicated where the bus is concerned because we cannot take the bus without a bus card. However, Shanna have a bus card, but we need 2 bus cards, not 1. So one of us can't take the bus, leave the other. So we are going to chance it. I feel like I'm leaving something. I hate that incomplete feeling when I'm leaving home. We're gonna chance it and drive the car to the metro stop where we wanted to take the bus from here to, and see if we get a parking, and then it will be a little bit easier because then we'll be able to buy metro and bus card at the metro stop. So we are heading out to adventure. Interesting today. We don't speak the language, we don't know anywhere, but that's what an adventure is for, right, Ty?
Excuse me, Mama.
Yes, Tyler?
Something to say.
Okay.
We know nothing in Netherlands except Tata Shana house.
Except Tata Shanna house, and Tyler is right. Take on this interesting day. I'm excited though. I'm looking forward to it. I was expecting it to be a little bit colder than it is right now, but I can tell you officially that I can take off my jacket and tie it around my waist, and I'll be looking forward to doing that. So enjoy the rest of today's vlog. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and of course we'll see you guys along today. Let's begin. We got to the metro station. Think we find a free parking outside. However, we're trying to figure out what ticket to get to go to where we're going. So here we go, shorty. Mission accomplished, hopefully, by getting our tickets. Now we're trying to go to the tram. Let's see. Rotterdam Central. Hey, honey. One, we've made it. 2, where we are. We made it to our first stop, and now we are going to see if we get what is called a water bus to go to where we're going. So let's do this. Wow, that's pretty. Oh, you guys, look at those buildings over the water. Let me tell you that you see everybody on bikes. OMG. Come, babe, cross over here. Go take a photo. Wow. Look at that!
Oh, what is that thing? I don't see.
Look at the little glitters in the material that they use over here. So pretty. It's glistening literally. Wow. Look at that. We're going on what's called a water bus, but the bus drive on the water.
Oh.
Ah. Alright you guys, so we are heading to the water bus. Things that we've noticed in Netherlands so far. Lots of bikes. When I say lots of bikes, I mean lots of bikes. They're so free, they look so happy. And when you're outside, you don't wear your mask. But once you're in public transportation, then you have to wear your mask. Yeah, so that's that. What else we've noticed about the city so far, babe? Hold on, Tyler.
As I said, they just look free, living like this. A lot of bikes, as you say. The scooter don't have no helmet, they just look free.
People on scooter don't have on any helmets. Don't know if it's a thing or it's just the ones we're seeing.
So, no, for now it's a good experience. I mean, we're enjoying, we like it, and the people, they just look enjoying their time.
Oh yes, like babe say, every age on a bike, every age biking. Tell her, what were you saying? What have you noticed so far?
I have noticed that all the metro stops are long.
All the metro stops are long.
Yes.
Okay, he means that the metro stops are not close to each other, so it's a little ride before you reach another metro stop, and that's true. All right, you guys.
And what I mean the name are long.
Oh, you mean the names?
Yeah.
Okay, just like I said to babe earlier, that like the words here are long words. So babe was explaining to me, like in English, where we would separate a word like I am, instead of they separating those words, they put that into one word. So hence why we have long words. And the coolest thing about the bikes here is that because they bike so much, you have the baby section on the bike, you have the big kid section on the bike, and it's just so cool to see so many bikers
And so many bikes parking.
and so many bike stations where you can rent the bikes, and that's super cool. Anyway, we are now heading to the water bus. I think we're close by because I'm seeing something like it. So let's go figure it out. So we had to come onto this tram ramp way. I think we figured out where exactly to take the water bus, and it should be here in 15 minutes, so we're ready and waiting.
So we are in the water bus now, about to go to our destination. I think it's about 30-minute ride. Oh, it looks like it's going back way. So we try to catch you along our way. This is the bridge of Rotterdam. This is one of the most common things.
Finally bought our tour of the windmill. I didn't tell you guys that we're at like a windmill farm kind of, but there's different things to explore within the area. So we bought our tickets. We're going to take a few boats and explore the area. I think it's going to be a good tour. Sarah is here eating. Mama is having a hot dog. Tyler is eating. I don't know what this is called, but it is absolutely good. If you guys are in Netherlands and know what this is, then perhaps you guys... This? Ah, babe said this is called sausage roll. I would never guess. And babe is having a brie sandwich. It looks, it's kind of delicious with pecans in it. It's so good. How it is, babe? Good, him can't talk.
And this what I'm having so good.
Mm-hmm.
And the blue. Not the blue.
Babe said I didn't have the view. So in here we are learning about the windmill and how it operates and what the engineers, how important were the engineers in controlling the windmill to ensure that the people on the land and the agriculture on the land would, I guess, have sufficient of what it needs to operate. Because if the windmill stopped working, then it would have been a problem for everybody. So this is what a little of the engineering is looking like in here.
So guys, we are in the famous city of Kinderdijk. Probably I don't pronounce it right, but well. So this city is classified by UNESCO on the World Heritage List. So this is very famous for all of this windmill. So let's try to find out more about them. The place is very, very pretty to see. Just to navigate right now on the boat in the middle of the river, going both sides. So that's just wonderful. Somebody live here. Look at this little garden.
So we are going inside one of the windmill homes to see what it looks like in here. Wow, so this is the view from up top of the windmills on that side where we're coming from. There we go.
Ja, om het helemaal compleet te maken, ja, we wilden wel, en het was gewoon qua bezoekers die gewoon niet handig.
You guys, I had to show you how steep it is.
The water tour is finished, so we're now just gonna walk a little bit along the river, showing you what is it. Look at this pretty house. A pretty house, peaceful to live here. There's a specific way for the walker because the left side is the way for the bikers. You don't want to get involved in no bike accidents. So we're just here in this beautiful landscape between the windmill, walking, enjoying the view, enjoying the peacefulness.
Sarah and Tyler, of course, is making use of this walk. She take the opportunity to train her legs. Princess, look where you're going. Tyler, take time. And she's so rough, my God.
Oh, look at it. She's going to eat me after scream. So guys, we are now on the one that is fully operated. We're gonna go look at it. But first look at this landscape here. It's just beautiful. Baby's here. So you can see that a family used to live here.
Oh, wow.
So there was one bed.
Wow.
Look, there's the moulin.
Look at the pipe. And the pipe.
And look at the moulin over there.
Yeah, but this one, you can look. It's a little bit window.
Another bedroom. Oh, we can look at the next tree.
You can see that they were kids or shorts.
Mama, let's go.
You might be
to
surprised that adults used to be here too.
Mama,
Yes.
let's go to the next tree.
Go.
So we have another floor. Same height.
This is the front room of the middle floor. And this is where the boys of the family had their beds. In this room, it was not heated. The kids only came to play or to sleep. Continue reading. I have to go with you.
Mama, we're not at the next tree. We can't go there.
Wow. Oh my gosh, how many floors is in this place? You see, that's the reason how they live. You see, that's
Yeah.
1, 2 floors,
3, 4.
4, 5, 6. There's another 2. Come, stop, finish. Look at that, it's finished.
So this one you can't go higher than
Oh,
this.
this one is up here.
You see anything upstairs? You want to see?
Just like,
Show
just
me.
like up. It's like there are beds here, one here and one here, and the stairs continue go all the way up the top. And this is what is helping the windmill to turn. Wow, that's amazing.
Mama, let's go down.
I'm coming, love. This is a different section, babe. Look at the inner nails.
Here's another bed.
Yes. What it says, party dress for the day. Aww. The woman wore multiple layers of clothing, more than what we are used to now.
So guys, this one is a half floor. It's just 2.
Look at Sarah.
So you have a middle way.
Mama, let's go there
So
now.
this is for Shorty. Tyler is perfect for Tyler's size. And for babe's size, I'm sure she can stand without. being on the-
TV.
They have another room. There's a good amount of bedroom.
Wow.
So they're here explaining. And here we're back at the first floor. The part that we didn't see. I guess there's a storage here.
The part that we didn't see.
And here looks like a little living room.
Wow, sewing machine. This is the iron we used to use back in the day. Exact same iron.
This
we
is the
used to
living
use.
room here.
Look, all my Jamaican zoom up on these 2 iron. My Jamaican clips. So you open this and you put the coal in there. And you iron with the fire in here. So you have to be very delicate with this. This one, you put it onto the stove top directly or onto the fire directly. You heat the bottom and iron the clothes.
And look here, a bed.
Wow.
It's the master bedroom. It looks bigger.
This one, the coal can fall out of the hole here and burn the clothes. So when you're using this one, you have to be very delicate.
This is a pretty living room.
Very neat.
Hi guys, so this is how our little tour finish. We're now gonna head back to the water bus slowly. We have like 25 minutes, 30 minutes to head back to the water bus, and yeah, let's see what else we can do.
Big shoes.
Stand.
Is almost can fit her.
Ah! Hey. Hi, princess. Come on, let's go get ice cream. Ice cream? Come on. Look at these strange houses behind us, you guys. They're the weirdest shaping houses. Tyler, look, stop doing that.
Superman.
Cube house.
Superman.
Condemn it. Cube
They're
house.
cool.
And what is funny is people
Living there.
living in there.
I would want to go
made-
inside to see what it looks like.
Look, it's made. You see from the outside, it looks like you're gonna fall on you.
Exactly.
But something must have been made
Look
to
at
the
that.
floor.
Have to make the dimension look like this on the outside. Yeah.
It sure looks strange to live in it.
Wait, let's get. Wow. So we're getting closer, and that's what it looks like up above. It's not a good angle. Let me see if I can get a better angle for you guys, so it's not that dark. Wow, look at that. These are houses that people live in. So cool. Look, you guys. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. That is so cool. Alright guys, so we're inside of the first floor. Get off of it. No, Ty, you can't go on.
Trying to see, okay.
Trying to vision it from downstairs, you'll never be able to do that. So this is off inside. So I have kitchen around here. Bottles.
What is that? Is that the step? Is just the one?
Everything inside is normal. It's just the outside that give you the dimension. And this is how steep the stairs are. Okay, you guys, so inside is pretty normal. It's the walls that changes things from outside. Tyler just saw these in a showcase.
And I thought there was a showcase higher, but there's not. Oh, yes, she is.
So there's a bed inside.
The bed is lovely down on the bed.
You don't feel no different inside than you're in a normal house. You feel pretty normal. You're just trying to vision it from outside. It's pretty normal inside.
Hey guys, we finished with the cube house and look what we find just there. Nice little spot to eat or drink here along the sea, and but it looks like a peaceful, nice little place. So we will go down. We actually just look. The cube house is here and this amazing place is just there. So let's try to find out. I like this place.
Look, you guys. Wow. Wow. This is just making babe excited. It looks good down here, Shawty. We are gonna find a seat and we're gonna clap our big butts down there. Food looks good.
We're going to.
Well, we're gonna figure that out right now, boy. Let's figure it out.
Architect that design.
Okay.
Mama, are we going to eat at Pisaki?
I don't know. Let's find it out. sitting and walking along the river, and all we're seeing are these old boats. However, these boats have so much history, where it tells you the history on these little cards here, but they're over 100 years old, but most of them are restaurants. Look how cool they are, and they leave the green things that's growing on them, and it just gives it a nice look. Look at everybody in there eating. It's beautiful. Babe and I are just fascinated by it. Look at this one.
Mama,
Yes, Dad, look at this one.
when
Look at all these
when
bikes.
it's going to be
Simple life. People just sitting on these little boats and enjoying a drink. Look. So cool. This city is giving chill vibe, live free, just be happy, just live. That's the energy it's giving. That's the energy it's giving. Where are we going, babe? Do we walk down on this? Cause I think that's the only exit.
That looks like the way to cross.
Yep. So we gotta cross on this ramp through the water, go all the way over there. We don't have no choice, boo. Rotterdam, we love you. We already love you, Netherlands. You're awesome. You're beautiful. We love the energy. And like babe said, everybody just look happy. I don't know if it's just today or that's the vibe every day, but everybody just look free and happy and out and about and living their best life. You don't see no party, but you see people out drinking and chilling and, you know, having dinner. Chill vibe. Chill vibe. So we're crossing this bridge to go to our metro so that we can head to the house. The city have a lot of construction going on, though. I must say a lot of building is a lot of high-rise building going up.
I don't know why it is like in Nice. I like to walk beside the water to see all of the boats. It's something I like to do, walk inside the port. I don't know myself if it's just the cool things to do, but I just
Maybe it's just you, babe.
things there.
It makes your, for you personally, it makes your mind free.
Yeah, I like to see that.
Yeah.
Makes me dreaming.